today I was thinking about doing something a bit different. The last time I did a side hustle was around 2 years ago, and at that time we did Uber Eats and we tried it out to see how good it is, if it's profitable or not. Now what I'm about to do is try a new side hustle. What we're about to do is try InstaCart. And if you guys don't know what InstaCart is, it's almost like Uber Eats, where it's a fulfilling app where you could shop groceries for other people and leave it to whoever ordered those items. I never tried Instacart. I always wanted to try it to see if Instacart really is profitable. I've seen a lot of people getting into these side hustles, so I want to know how it is throughout now. So let me give you guys a brief description of how you get into it, how you could start working for Instacart, start delivering groceries. So what you basically do is just download the app called Shopper. All you do is just sign in, put in your information like what we did back with Uber Eats. After a while, it's going to give you a payment card. So with the payment card, there's either two options where you can either get a physical card or a digital card. All you got to do is right now is just activate. This is what we're about to do right now. I got our delivery right here. So this is where it comes in. You get this. It says full shopper, and this is our card. I assume this is for people to understand that you're doing Instacart. They already know your intentions, so this, not bad. What we gotta do right now is activate the card. It's asking for our 16-digit number. Now here we go. It says congratulations, your card has been activated. Start tutorial. Next. Right now it's just giving us a background check to see if we're either good or not to work. So I guess we have to wait until tomorrow to see how much money we actually make. I'll catch you guys in a few minutes. So after 24 hours of waiting, we finally got a response from Instacart, and now we can finally start working. So what I'm about to do is just get on the app, just get it started. And here we are. It says low demand on your shopping areas. I don't know what that's all about. Like I said, this is my first time doing this. As you guys can see, there's nothing at the moment. Currently right now it says Saturdays and Sundays are usually when the app is up. What about? Oh, cool. So we got a batch right now. It's one delivery, 2 items. It says for 1.5 miles, they're gonna pay us $8.39. We got some cream. So we're just gonna get started and we're gonna see how this works. Like I said, I've done Uber Eats before, and I never had to look for the items. The items were just waiting for you. So all you gotta do is just deliver it. But here, you gotta look for it. That's the huge difference. I guess now it's just start. So we're gonna use navigate. I hate using Apple Google Maps. I don't know if it's just me, but Apple Google Maps is just worse. So we're gonna do this. So let's start the CVS run. So I have to turn off my car, which is a bummer. So I'm looking for this item. It's an allergy medication for somebody. Where is this thing, bro? Allergies. So this. Scan the barcode now. Got it. Oh, I forgot to bring the card. Here we are. Now we got the card and the item. Start checkout.
Yeah, we have it.
Now it's asking me to take a picture of the receipt for some reason. Just don't give the receipt to the customer or place it in the bag. Keep the receipt for a few days. Days for returns. Confirm you kept the receipt. Time to deliver the order. Start delivery. Now let's go to Alicia's house. Whoever Alicia is, I hope you get well. It says press the button for apartment 11C and walk up to the stairs on the left. Walk upstairs, guys. I think they meant to say to the right. Yup, here we are.
Thank you so much.
So yeah, complete delivery. Hopefully we got no ticket. We got no ticket. We're lucky as hell. Now it's asking us to do this. Let's do it. It's like a game show at this point. Man, I'm getting my steps in today is all I'm saying. Definitely going to shred this summer. So remember to like this video because we need to get those algorithm views. We need to get those algorithm likes. So this is a scavenger hunt every single time, bro. We definitely gotta get this. Whoa. Shopping cart isn't working. First of all, it says to get ice cream. I already know where the ice cream is, so. We got some strawberry ice cream and some vanilla ice cream chip. That's awesome. Now we gotta just look for it. The one for 3.6 is vanilla and the other one is 14 ounces is gonna be 1 strawberry. This looks like the 14. This is 24. They're not gonna leave me a good review if I don't do this right. What kind of supermarket doesn't have vanilla? I feel so bad for Gloria. She's not gonna get her ice cream. I'm sorry, Gloria, but your ice cream isn't here. I know it says it's here, but it's not here. Look. So if Gloria ever sees this, item unavailable. Unless they'll like the 24 mil. We're unable to identify the item. Just scan, please enter the item information. What the heck? So yeah, I had to refund all the ice creams because we couldn't find any. Now we're gonna look for some Cheez-Its. At least Gloria's gonna eat some Cheez-Its. How many ounces is this? 24 ounces. Alright, 24 ounces Cheez-Its pack. Apparently she's getting cookies too, so we gotta get that. Milk chocolate chip, macadamia chunk. Now we just gotta find these two items. Wow, this is a lot of work. I understand moms now. I understand why they're always cranky.
Give it back! Why? I'm taking your car. What?
To be honest, I like shopping. I don't mind it. Alright, here we are. This is not it, guys. This is not it. If that's aisle 3, this is aisle... Where's aisle 1? Aisle 1 is where the dairy is. Where is the dairy? Getting my steps in, that's a good part. So I walked around all aisle 1 and I can't find the dairy. That is funny. Here we are. Dairy. Wow. No, that's not it. First it was for ice creams, now it's for coffee. This is not it. So we got them. Those things were hard to find. I had to ask for help. Apparently they were in the bottom, behind everything else. That's torture, guys. Wow. All I gotta say is, that was a lot of work. Almost 1 hour inside. Okay, now we gotta deliver this to Gloria. I do not have time to take photos of the receipt. How many bags did you order? Need 2. Next, keep the receipt. Confirm that you kept the receipt. It says leave at door. I guess we're leaving at a door. Gloria finally got her delivery. Currently, right now, it's 9:26. So far we got $24. $24. So right now we're just looking for our last batch. All supermarkets usually close around 9 or 10 p.m. So I guess that's the reason why InstaCart isn't really working right now. So in 1 hour, we basically made around $8 an hour. I guess if I do this on a Saturday or Sunday, I'm most likely to get more. I'm just going to end this right now. Now we're in a new location. I figured out it's not justice to do Instacart in one afternoon, so I'm gonna give it another try. Today is Saturday. This is where the app was supposed to apparently have more people on and where you could apparently make more money. So I'm gonna give it another try right now, see how it goes. Nice location. Let's go. Let's make money. So now we're gonna get started. Currently right now it's 11:15, so just gonna wait until something pops up. So far, we're not finding anything, which sucks. Until then, we're just gonna stay in the car. So this is not going as planned. It's already 12:27 and there's been no orders. We're gonna stop and So since it's Sunday today, usually the app gets more traction and right now it's currently... So what I'm about to do is just get into the app and deliver anything for right now. We're gonna see if we could give Instacart another try. So let's get it started right now. All we do is just get into the app. Now we're just gonna look for batches. If I don't see anything in Instacart today, either there's something wrong with my account, because I don't seem to get anything. I was just waiting. I finally got something, so what I'm about to do is just go pick up these items and hopefully if everything goes well, I get a good review. I think the reason why I'm not getting a lot of orders is because I'm supposed to do at least 10 orders so my profile could have a rating. So once I have a good rating, I'm most likely to get orders. So what I'm gonna do today is try to compete around 10 orders and just try to get the best ratings as I can. That being said, let's just go. Obviously you gotta put your thing on. So apparently they gave me a different supermarket name. So when I put in the address, they gave me Food Industries. But right now I'm at the same location, but it seems that it's a Key Food. I don't know what that's all about. Whatever happens, I'm just gonna go inside, just look for their ingredients, and you guys know the rest. Let's get this order ready and let's get our money and let's get our good rating. gotta do is just deliver the items now. So all we gotta do is just complete delivery, and that's how it's experienced. It's still good for now. Maybe the fact that they're not giving me orders is because the last time I put a terrible experience. So if Instacart sees that I'm having fun what I'm doing, then I assume that Instacart is most likely gonna give us more as well. So now all we are doing right now is just looking for more batches. Like I said, if we do at least 10 today and we get our good review by today, then I'm cool with it. Right now it's currently 5:23, so in my opinion, Instacart, the experience is really messy. If you're a person that loves getting their steps on, loves finding stuff, that's good for you, but the fact that we only made $11 in 1 hour, not really good. Although it was 3 items, that was the good part. The fact that you gotta do all this in between, it's not really enticing at the end of the day. I'm obviously a good employee, so I'ma just keep going. I'm not gonna lie right now, it's 6. We finally have an order ready to go, but the thing is, right now it's been almost 2 hours just sitting here waiting for a order to pop up. This thing is really slow for some reason. It's either the app or it's either people not using the app, or it's maybe just me. I don't have enough orders to review off of, but so far I guess we just gotta do this order for now. So let's head to CVS and let's get it. So right now there's allergy medicine. Now I just realized I lost the card, Instacart card, so after this is just gonna be my last order. I'm done with this anywhere. Bingo, found it. New York City problems, right? So it's the wrong one right now, so gotta make something. It's giving me these options. There's a 40 pill one, apparently it doesn't work for me. And I tried to scan it as well, but it's giving me this item unfound, so now we gotta put it in manual. I got the quarters she asked for though, but I lost the card, so I had to pay it off my pocket, but hopefully Instacart can relate and can refund me my money. So if anything, whatever happens, I guess we're gonna lose some money. But now we're just gonna deliver right now. After this is my last order. I'm not gonna go any further. I was doing this since 4 p.m. and I waited almost 3 hours for orders and nothing came up. Let's just go out, let's deliver these things to Jessica, and we're out. So I'm finally done with the last order. It started raining at the moment, so I'm gonna stop doing Instacart because it's already 8 p.m. and we only got 2 orders out of 5 hours that we're just sitting here. And currently, right now, we made a total of $31.40. So I feel like that's the good part. We made $30, but the bad part is we can make more money. Instacart is just not allowing us to. So for that, I'm gonna just leave the out for today. First, I gotta deal with the card because I don't know where it's at. It could probably be the supermarket or somewhere in the parking lot of the supermarket or in one of these apartments. But overall, Jessica was pretty cool with it, so thanks. And now we back. So now I'm gonna give you guys my results for the last 3 days we did Instacart, which was from Friday to Sunday. And before we get started, all I want to say is it's currently been 2 weeks since the last time I did my delivery, and the reason for that is because, as you guys know, in the last day we did Instacart, I lost the Instacart card, and because of this I had to claim for a new card, which can easily be done on the app. And according to Instacart, my card is currently on delivery, so I've been waiting for the card to come in, but it has never came. Truly, I wanted to try Instacart to the max where we can get those 10 deliveries done and we could get a great review. But until now, I have not received anything. I have not gotten any emails saying that my card has been shipped. All I know is that my card is being undelivered. I can't even use the app because of the fact that I don't have the card. My other option is to open a digital card with Instacart. But the thing is, I don't really want to use my phone. At the end of the day, Instacart should have delivered my card by now because, like I said, it's been within 2 weeks. And to get a replacement for any card, in my opinion, it should not be taking more than around 2 weeks just to get a replacement. So that being said, let me tell you guys how much money we actually made throughout these last 3 days. So on the first day, we made a total of $26.06 on 2 deliveries, which wasn't that bad, especially on the first delivery. We only had 1 item to deliver, and the fact is that it was pretty close around that area, so Instacart started off for us really well. But when it came to the second one, this is where Instacart actually started showing its true colors, where we had to deliver around 5 items and we had to go to a supermarket. Like I said, it was my first time doing it, so the fact that I got it done around an hour or like 30 minutes, I gave that a pass for Instacart. But overall, the first day, not so bad. So on the second day, we did a total of $0. And the fact that we made $0 on a Saturday really shocked me, to be honest. I was in a different borough. I felt like doing Instacart because I still wanted to get the video done. So I waited around 2 hours just to get a first delivery. Nothing happened. I gave it a break, and then I waited another 2 hours for something to pop. Nothing came back. I just thought there was something wrong with the app, or there was something wrong with me. Maybe I wasn't in the perfect location. At the end of the day, the fact that I didn't get one single batch that day, it just really shocked me. Now on the third day, Sunday, on this day we made a beautiful total $31.40 for 2 deliveries. And this day I started a bit later. I know that Instacart says you have to start a bit earlier so you could get a lot of things done. What happened on Saturday, I just didn't want to happen again, and the day I started on Friday, I did it in the afternoon. So I figured maybe I could start throughout the afternoon and we could just get more batches that day. So for the first delivery, I waited almost 1 hour, and distance wasn't so bad that day. It was actually pretty good, and we only had to deliver only 3 items, which was fairly easy. And from what I learned in the first day, if I couldn't find an item real quick, I just asked one of the employees for help and just got it done. But this is where Instacart started playing with us again. So for the second delivery, I waited almost around 2 hours and 20 minutes just so I can get a delivery. Honestly, I felt like just logging off at that moment. We did a Walgreens pickup, not so bad, and it was only 1 item. Thing is, I couldn't find one of her items, but at the end of the day, you solved it. So now if we add all of this together, we made a total run worth of $57.46 for 3 days. So what do you guys think? Was that an L or was that a W? Comment down below for that. Now, was it worth it at the end of the day? While it does take some time to work around certain issues, such as missing products, looking for products, and item replacements, you just get used to it. But that being said, because of these issues popping up, time does tend to fly by trying to solve all these issues, such as contacting with the customer and trying to solve issues. And sometimes I even had issues with the app itself with certain products. I don't know if Instacart doesn't have it in their database, but when I used to scan the item for a replacement, the app wasn't reading the replacement item. So because of that, I had to write it down manually. And this is what I mean by time consuming. Those little things, it was just tedious. Also, when doing certain grocery runs, you had to wait certain products. That also was pretty tedious. But if you could get those things done real quick, it really doesn't matter at the end of the day. It's just part of the job. But on the other side, pay wasn't really that bad compared to other delivery services, in my opinion. For instance, getting paid $10 just to do a small little CVS run for 3 small items, that's not really so bad. And especially if you're a quick shopper, getting these things done, it's not so bad at the end of the day. You also get a lot of more steps in. So if you're trying to do a side gig with more movements, Instacart is not so bad. And I know I said it takes time for deliveries to pop up. If you're a person that's just doing this, you just want to make some few bucks, this is not so bad. So overall, what do I give Instacart as a rating? In my opinion, I give Instacart a solid 7 out of 10 at the end of the day. If you guys want to see more videos like this, remember to subscribe. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up for the algorithm. And overall, what do you guys think? Let me get your guys' opinion on Instacart. Was it a W or an L? Share your opinions down below in the comment section. More videos. Stay safe. We out. Deuces.